How are you guys? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Kimang, mamini, mamani. Oh, mamani. Okay, Kimamani, good morning, Ovi.
Sometimes we wish for the better.
Malirato, let's say, good morning, Pastor Ovi. Matibello. Monday motivation, guys. Monday motivation. Eva. Moho, good morning, Eva. And then, guys, I will say network ka batla nsukudisa. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Monday motivation yaka. Very short and sweet. Very short, guys. Very short. What's my mabane? Nekiruta ka ore neki botsa batho ke rekeng ke ba botsa gore ke bomang batho ba fila gore bona ba nyahama ka speed ne abantu aba oh guys na ke tsebe network mona na le timona le leng sefapane qala bona ntwetse network ya mo ai and especially when ke etsa di live tse bohlokwa a ke tsebe network mona ya nsukudisa guys a ke batlo bo maka sefapana a ke tsebe etsalang wifi ya mona e sukudisa and only ha ke etsa di show tsena tse tshwanang le tsena tsa di Monday motivation ka net ke nana ona le boloi bo teng mona so mabane ne ke bua ka batho ba bang ne ke re ke bomang batho ba bang discouraged easily so obana ba nyahama obo so ke ne ke botsa batho before ke preacher then but ke ba bua ba phamisa matsoho ba bua hore bona ba kulula kore motho ba o ba discouraged easily so is obo so now ke ne ke ruta ka ntho mabane ya batho ba nyama ka speed and I told them Carolina I do have the same thing ya nyama ka speed somewhere somehow ona le dintho tse ke feel or I kore ke ba discouraged wa bona ya nyamisa wa bona and na ha whole problem ya ka hlaha the relationshiping wa bona especially the relationshiping yes leading to ntse ke nyahama wa bona but the relationshiping ke nyahama ka speed especially when o ka wa ha ke kopana le wena let's say o bumpa something ka wena o buitlhaisa ke be jwalo maybe we itlhaisa o le something and then after nako o bohlaha o bo chincha o ba something else ke ba discouraged yena on that cannot ke ba if now you must make sure that ntho hlango le yona o ba yona you don't a we change into iyo wa bona but that is not the issue e ke batla go bua ka yona ne ke thasha fela taba hore nna le nna I think ke na le the same thing especially the relationship wa bona ke ba very easy ke ba discouraged very easy so wa bona especially once again nka bua le wena ka makgetlo mangata let's say ke be ke le ka o bua le wena ke le ka o khalmela and then bo sa mameli be ke bua ke ba discouraged and one ke ba discouraged I will say permanently so but I will try sometimes not sometimes I try na ke motho ya le ka ngo bua ke tla be ke bua le wena ke etsa inketsa but the issue guys today has it about the relationship but issue ya ka e tabeng ya hore ke ba le nna ke na le dintho tse discourageang wa bona so then phone to escampava so guys then mabane ne ke bua le batho ba kerekeng ke ruta ka taba ya ba discouraged wa bona ya onyama and ke realize that most ya batho ba nyahami ne abantu ba kyafile nje we are so much discouraged on a serious note nowadays. I've learned that we are so much discouraged guys ke bona di comments ka di sa tsamaya ke kopa o check fela ke kopa kana Facebook nyeng ka tle khona o checka di comments a runa why di sa tsamaya so on a serious note I've learned that but ba nyahami ne le nna ho na le dintho tse ngata, like I said already, hore le nna ho na ntho tse ngata tse ntho tse nyamisang, ne. But the biggest thing e ke batlang ho ruta ka yona tsatsing lena, actually ke buile maobane, ne. Ke buile ka re number 1, when o le motho ya bang discouraged easy a November wena, when o le motho ya bang discouraged easily, what are the things o tshwantseng o di avoid, ne. Maobane ne ke di touch askis Molive. So ke batla o tla tabeng ena he, ne ke ruta ka hore what are the things tseo ha o le motho o tshwantse o di avoid, especially when o le motho ya bang easily discouraged. Ka re ya pele, before ke tla tabeng ya dintho tse o tshwantseng o di avoid, ne ke batla re bue ka hona le batho ba reng when o qala business, one e mo sokodisa ntshe o ba discouraged. Hona le batho ba reng ha ba qala relationship, when mo sokodisa o ba discouraged. Le nna ke wela mo ya di relationship I not le nna ke wela mo ya di relationship nje ha e qala fela discouraged nje a insokodisa fela ke ba discouraged ya di relationship. I think mo ke na le bothata mo, ne. But ke tla le jwetsa mabaka ka tlatsi le leng, if I can have time ke tla share why taba di relationship ha di sokodisa fela be ke ba discouraged, ke tla share, ne. Hona le batho ba reng ha ba batla mesebetsi, when ba sokola ho thola mesebetsi ba discouraged, and then rena le batho ba we ba discouraged so easy, and always nowadays I've realized most of people we are discouraged. Okay, now the problem ke ne ke ruta ka ntho ngwe maobane ke re ya pele, one o le motho ya bang easily discouraged for life, bophelong for bophelong nje la o try ho etsa dintho o ba discouraged. Ke ne ke ruta ka hore ya pele, you need to be very careful hore o tsamaya le bo mang, o phela le bo mang, partner ya hao e jwang, wa bona o phela le partner e jwang, because you know what is painful. Ene ke ruta ka ona mabane ke re when o ba easily discouraged, ne, ka bad luck o bo phela le partnera e already essentially discouraged, essentially nyahame. Once o phela le motho ya nyahame kapa o associated, let's say, because most of the time when re le ka ra di relationship, you need to remember when o le ka ra relationship, you spend time le motho o jolang le yena, you spend time le motho o nyalaneng le yena, you spend time le bana beno, you spend time. Now once o le motho ya nyahamang ka speed, ya pele ntho tshwantse o be careful ka yona ke hore o phela le bo mang, o associate le bo mang, o qoqa le bo mang, because ke le jwetsa nnete guys, wa bona ai maobane ntho ena ke buile ka re phela le batho ba re qetellang. Nantsi ngaki yethu, most of the time re phela le batho ba re qetellang, straight ko re tholo re this person ba ke sa hore a o thuse but o sala go re wa qetella. Most of the time re phela le batho ba re qetellang, a ke tsebe ke etsa sense na most of the time. Ibile ke kopa ke etse tjena, ke kopa ke etse tjena because I really want to do this. Ke kopa ke etse tjena hanyane fela guys, hanyane fela, sorry skala tsamaya hanyane fela guys. Ke kopa ke etse tjena fela. Now ke kopa etsa tjena fela hanyane fela, 2 minutes guys, 2 minutes. Now Now ka bomadimabe most of the time ntho e re qetelletseng into ntho e entseng gore be today we are kore ho fedile ka batho ba bangata. Do you know that guys hona le batho ho fedileng ka bona? Ku kwa bantu kore hona le batho ba ho fedileng kore ho fedile ka bona. Do you know that guys hona le batho ba phelang fela kore hona le batho ba seng ba tsoa fela ba phela fela, but actually spiritually and mentally ba ho fedile ka bona. Hona le batho ba give up in total life. Hona le batho ba give up in ka sehlo hona le batho ba give up in ka sehlo. And the problem is when really discouraged, then the sad part be re sa kgone lo sheba batho ba re phelang le bona hore ba ya re thusa kapa ba re qetella. When you are discouraged, then still only discouraged ha o qetile bo phela le motho ya o qetellang. Guys, hona le batho ba re qetellang. Yo. Guys, hona le batho ba tsemang ho qetella. Ku khona ba kwazi ku gqibezela. Ku re thola hore you are already down, ne? O bo bua le motho o mong and then the same person about qetella. Hona le batho ba good hore qetella guys. When really down, o bo qoqa le motho instead ya hore motho a o boost kapa motho a o thusa a o encourage a yetsang motho ba o qetella a ba bua dintho tse o qetellang. So number one, once only motho ya ban discouraged easy. Once only motho ya ban discouraged easy. Number one, be very careful or o phela le bomang. Once only motho ya ban discouraged easy. Ke a le kopa e bang careful le phela le bomang. E bang careful le di boyfriend tsa lona. E bang careful le banneng ba lona kapa basading ba lona. E bang careful or boyfriend out ke motho jwang. And it's very important. I think it's one of the things you reside checking you. Most of the time we don't even consider that or uko study boyfriend or ke motho negative kapa jwang, because there are people who are very negative and most about to be discouraged. The sign ya pele ya motho discouraged ke negative, but to be discouraged most of the time they are very negative guys, very negative. Abantu abantyafile but ba give up in life, but ba disappointed, most of the time utaba bua, they are very negative. Now that is why number one, if obatla who survive, obatla who overcome the spirit of disappointment, discouragement, the spirit of discouragement. Ya pili, study boyfriend ya hao, if una le boyfriend. Study monna wa hao, study mosadi wa hao, study di colleague tsa hao. Study batho bana ba o phela le bona ba o spenda nako e ngata le bona. Study them, but study so that o tlo gona ho tseba hore how fihla ho yena o bua eng, how fihla ho yena o bua eng, because it's very important to study but how phelang le bona, so that you must be able to know how fihla ho mang o bua so, how fihla o bua o mang so. I get example. Abana but ba discouraged kapa ba disappointed. Let's say you are sharing your frustration le motho ya qadileng the business. Let's say you want to start a business. Let's say you want to run a business. You want to start something. Then obotsama ya lo qoqa le motho ya faitsi and ya discouraged, ya disappointed. Ubufika motho tsa re what's why I'm planning to start something. Yo otla ya pele fela yo the business is like frustrated. Motho tlo ntsetsa dintho tse negative, very negative. But what discouraged, but what disappointed, but what give up in life, but how jeta dintho tse very negative. And once only mutu already yantseng ana le problem ya ba discouraged very easy. You are going to ba tlo qetella because qetelong ya qetelo already o sontso na le problem ya o give up already you are already discouraged but you are just trying to push their life I get to get that sense the problem is because we are trying guys just to push their life you know but they think we've got their strength but push but we are living see appeal but see appeal people they've got the mentality or hey bon November ba appeal the friend that's our little colleague when about Sheba they think or hey that person why appeal but they don't know we are just pushing the life we are just pushing now you can imagine you are trying to push the life then una little challenges una little frustration then you are trying to share your frustration in about guys I want to do this kapakina business I'm frustrated so we expect but negative negative nana batori when we share frustration now the motor discouraged when we share frustration ya how le motho give up in life we expect that person our advice jwang we expect or are because the only thing I tell you are equal the same way people who are today are about to be discouraged for relationships for lerato but why give up in lerato and when urata lerato you are so much love urata lerato I don't know ngai job uthando urata lerato now you are it's just that lerato lena lo lerata le frustrate kopana le batho ba frustrate then you go to somebody who's already give up in lerato give up in lenyalo give up in life then if you bolela you know boyfriend I am frustrated so kapa my husband kapa my wife kapa expecting of that person who to ring how arab o expecting of mutha give up in life mutha give up in lerato o expecting o tlo re eng when because the only thing I tlo ibuang gore you know that is why ke sa hleng ke batla the relationship most about to give up in lerato kapa ba give up in lenyalo kapa ba give up in life most of the time those people are very negative most of the time so in this Monday motivation my aim because it's a Monday motivation guys it's every Monday it's a Monday motivation got 10 o'clock or 10 o'clock it's a Monday motivation so in this Monday motivation we need to understand but if we're not personal already you are struggling thank you so much thank you so much so if we're not personal give yes struggling but ya batla go push life number 1 be careful ubualema ke batla go tlala tabeng yena let me go back to this thing ke buile ya hore it's very important to study the partner at rona each and every person you spend nako le yena mo study pele ke motho jwa if you want to survive if you want to thank you so much if you want to survive if you want to push life in the first step study the person you spend nako le yena I don't care I don't care I don't care boyfriend, I don't care girlfriend, I don't care who is who. But the first thing in life, study about pilan lebona, so that you must be able to know who utobua in lebona. I get that. What? There is somebody I'm 28 years old. I have this mindset ya ora ke batle go nyala. Oh, ke yona motho. Unza bua le sense. So, study the first thing is study the person who spend nako le yena. So that you must be able to know utlo bua in le yena. Utlo ntshetsa the frustration is jwa tsa how jwa. Like nna, hona le batho ba ke tsebang hore if ke batla go bua dintho if ke batla go qoqa let me make an example kana nna ke motho so I know hore una le friend tsa ka tse una le motho ke qoqa in general topic nje but when ke batla go dintho tse serious I know ke founela mang ke bua le mang dia yang scoot in tetano if I want to a ke batla go dintho tse serious I know ke founela mang ke bua le mang but ha ke batla go dintho tse casual ke a tseba re ke bua le mang ha ke batla go bua tshele ke batla go bua fela ke batla go seba fela ka nako tse ding ke a tseba re ke bua le mang so ke a tseba gore ke a tseba man ke a tseba so the problem ya rona thank you ka motho ntseng a gifta guys so the problem ya rona ke gore number 1 like I said gore whoever you o phelang le ena yo spenda nako le ena batho ba re phelang le bona nako e telele ba re spenda nako le bona ba bapala role tse two most ya batho ba re phelang le bona they ba bapala 2 roles e ka ba your husband e ka ba your girlfriend e ka ba your wife e ka ba your e ka ba your family e ka ba di colleague batho bana ba bapala di role tse two it's either banally the impact kapa the influence tabeng ya hore o push life ya hao who motivate it's either banally rule by bapalang to motivate you or banally rule by bapalang to discourage you to o qetella batho ba re phelang le bona batho ba re associate le bona batho ba re spenda nako le bona ba bapala 2 roles banally a positive impact kapa a negative impact but it's just that sometimes we are not aware ha re kgone o ba aware because sometimes you don't even think o qoqa le bona o bona o nahana re batho ba iqoqela fela rag jo now bone ke tlweletse lenyalo ha bone na ke tlweletse the relationship ntho tsena dia bora eng so but you are not aware of these people ba tlisa a negative influence when ba tlisa negative impact when ka dintho tsena tse wena o di ratang so that is why ho leng bohlokwa ho re study batho ba re phelang le bona especially when o le motho ya give up anga speed you need to avoid batho ba o qetellang you need to have people ba o motivate you need to spend time le batho ba o motivate you need to spend time le batho ba kgonang ho identify your potential you know ba kgona go bona bokgoni ba hao people who can remind you about your potential kapa your ability we need to live rephelela batho ba jwalo batho ba tlo jwetsa gore no you don't need to give up mothetla o hopotsa gore who are you we need those people nowadays sidinga abantu abanjalo matsatsing we need people who can remind us baka re hopotsang gore bo ma batho baka re hopotsang your ability ba o hopotsa gore mare remember o motho ya gona remember o motho ya strong batho baka re hopotsang because sometimes the frustration ya life nje e etsa gore sometimes o lebale about yourself o lebale who are you o lebale your ability o lebale your potential libala sometimes we become so much frustrated until re lebala hore you are so much depressed you are frustrated you are down you even forget actually who are you so we need association we need people who can motivate us people who can remind us people baka kgonang to who puts man remember remember who are you remember your ability we need those people nowadays guys leo jola guys we are the relationship tsa batho ba kgonang to take out your ability but ba ka ntshang bokgoni ba hao we need those people ba kgonang go bua le rona ba kgonang go because you know what is painful nowadays ne nkile ka ba le this lady ene kutlwana le yena ne this lady kila bua nthong a re wa November a re ke tsala in my entire life I ke tsala ho kopana le motho ya sebedisang kelello ya ka strong ke re jwang a re nna ke tsala kopana le motho ya sebedisang kelello ya ka strong are every time ha ke kopana le wena you sebedisa kelello ya ka strong kore you ha ke dutse ke le one you give me o fa kelello ya ka task o mpha dintho tse tshwantseng ke di nahana o mpha dintho tse tshwantseng ke sebetsane le tsona o mpha dintho tse tshwantseng ke di etse you are not all along ke ntse ke ijolla fela nje ke ijolla le batho nje gore ho ba monate ra ijolla fela ho felletse mo but are since ke kopane le wena you are this person ya challengeang kelelo ya ka and nna a ntjwetsa re kelelo ya ka nna ke kelelo relaxitseng fela wa bona so what I'm trying to say gore nowadays because already we are emotionally spiritually mentally we are struggling emotionally. Most of us emotionally we are struggling. Most of us spiritually we are struggling. We are struggling in all area, guys, if I can be honest. All area. I will say almost all areas of Barona. We are struggling somewhere, somehow. Now, that is why, now, we understand, number one, that is very important. Motho o bapala role e kakang bophelong bao o bapala role e kae bophelong bao because guys ho na le batho ba dangerous se ke la tsamaya Hona le batho ba so in life ba ke ithutile bona oh my god e go ena ntho hona le batho ba so bophelong ba ke ithutile bona na le batho ba so le ntshwarela guys a ke nna le ntse ba ke motho le demonstration ka nnete le ntshwarela ke gutli ka ra ke bua hantle ke sa demonstrate ke live TikTok le Facebook ana le batho ba so a o thole o na le strength nyana ona le batho ba so a o thole o na le 50% ya strength 50% ya energy 50% ya lerato 50% ya hope 50% ona le batho ba tlang so o thole hore you are in the middle or life ya how in between you are pushing you are trying you are yetsa ne you are hona le batho ba jwalo ba o tholang o le so you are in life the half of life is your happiness it's your strength it's your hope it's your in already there's an was struggle ne mon ka pattern let's say ke 50% ya struggling hona le batho ba reng ha o fihla o kopana le yena o jola le yena o thole since a le teng bophelong ba hao every day when o kopana le motho when o phela le yena when o qoqa le yena ha o qeta o qoqa le yena there's a half surely but slowly unzoba empty surely but slowly hona le di relationship hona le di relationship motho o kopane a kopane le wena una le 50% of your happiness kapa 80% of your happiness 80% kolo motho a kopane le wena man o le 70 kapa 50 ne friend hona le di-friends tso kopana di kopane le wena o le rata o thole hore o nona le 50% of happiness kapa 80% kapa 70% kapa boyfriend kapa girlfriend tse re kopana le tsona but ha o re wa sheba ha nako e ntse tsamaya wow drain empty every day. And here's the problem, guys. Every Monday gets a Monday motivation. Skala le balaka 6 o'clock re akopa. Come to manyalo le ka di relationship. 6 o'clock after you re akopa. Kamanyalo le ka di relationship. Now, most about to bar drainer. Ha ba khone le hore when only empty. Ba fihle ba unto. Ba feel up that empty. Most yabona they can't even aketsibili bitsa abakwazi nokugcwalisa abakghoni lo yetsa hore u recover most of the time. So that is why today in this Monday motivation guys, let us be careful if already you are struggling emotionally, because I said most of us on a serious note emotionally are struggling, spiritually are struggling. I was saying that guys, what's about on a serious note, people they don't know we are struggling emotionally, we are struggling spiritually. We just go to church because we just go to church because on a serious note we love God. We just go to misebetsi because it's a must. Hona le batho ba ya misebetsi because it's a must. Barata misebetsi ya bona. Hona le batho ba ka ramanyalo because barata manyalo bona. But we are emotionally drained. We are spiritually drained. We are mentally drained. And we are tired. The sad part again, we are so tired. We are weak nowadays. Weak, guys. Let us be honest. I don't know, Luna. I'm weak. Nowadays, I feel like I'm weak. So I'm very weak. We are emotionally drained. We are not okay. Then you can imagine still unzo feel jwalo. Obo phela le batho ba o qetela people ba yetsa ngore now o ska wa hlola recover ba o qetela already you are weak, then o qetile bo phela le boyfriend kapa girlfriend kapa husband kapa wife kapa family o qetela. So for runa, for our safety, for your tomorrow, for bukamoso ba hao, for the future ya hao, avoid batho ba o drainer, avoid batho ba o qetela, avoid batho ba yetsang hore ho be more difficult in your life. Ba avoiding, guys. Sometimes I will say, if you are married to somebody or negative, if you are married to somebody or negative, you don't need to divorce that person, but you need to be careful of Indian ubua in mutia negative. How Indian I didn't powerful because we cannot avoid them. Arno bala repeal libo families are not negative, banabar rena negative. But how do you deal about negative? Number one, you know hore mutia negative ukoka in. You don't share the torota how the mutia negative. You don't share the planets how the mutia negative. Mutia negative ubua fela ukokalia na dintote itemfelo. You koka dintote itemfelo ukokala general topic in. But you need to know how fika humang ukoka dintote jwa. Ari tutentene ya when we kokala about negative, but negative we kokala le bona nje at general topic nje. Ukoka ka di weather. But one negative, we want to contact weather alien. Yo, weather hey, weather abata, yo, weather chincha, or contalaba to one negative, over contalaka weather. But if you want, even if you battle to do something, find people, Batabatu, Tibam Mutu, Yao Tibang, Yatsibang ability how, Yatsibang strength how. Yatsibang Boniba, o qoqe le yena re wa tseba ne ke batla ho etsa 1 2 3 ne ke batla ho etsa business, because you know who that person o tseba strengths sa hao, o tseba bokgoni ba hao, o tla o motivate, o tla bua le wena dinto, o tla bua le wena dinto tse tlo etsang hore o tlo re you want to push. Thank you guys ka batho ba ntse bang gift. So you find batho ba tsebang your strength, bua le batho ba tsebang strength. If o ba le di plan, di share le batho ba tsebang strength sa hao, di share le batho ba tsebang ability hao, di share le batho ba tsebang hore o strong hakakang. Tloela mo share dinto le batho ba le underminang, ba nyatsang se o leng sona, ba sa boning your ability, ba sa boning strength tsa hao. Tloela mo share dinto le batho ba underestimate bokgoni ba hao. Se tloela mo bua le batho ba underestimate bokgoni ba hao, because most ya batho ba underestimate bokgoni ba rona, they will always discouraging you ka hore ha o re batla ho etsa ntho motho ba rag wena ho tlo kgona ntho ene tlo frustrate a itlwella. So guys, let us avoid but very discouraging in this Monday motivation. Ke ne ke re ke le hopotsa hore every Monday ke etsa Monday motivation from today. Ke qadile ke entse le ka TikTok, ke tlo etsa every Monday because ke etsa ka Facebook, but ke tlo etsa le ka TikTok every Monday ka 10 o'clock Monday motivation. So guys, in short, ha ke kwala, please guys, make sure that when o le motanya hamang, o le motia ya feeling or sometimes weak, avoid batho ba weak, avoid to share di plans tsa o le batho ba weak, avoid to qoqa le batho ba weak, because automatically ba tla o qetela. Now if ya o qetela, if o motia dumelang businessing, if you are frustrated at business, ska qoqa le batho ba negative ka business, ba tla o qetela, ba za qobezela abantu ba negative. If you are frustrated about business, before I divorced for the first time, I had a friend already annually processing a divorce. So this guy unabua very negative because the guy was on a process of divorce. So every time I get miserable in my first marriage, in a ranking driver, that guy already unyahan. One kid driver, when the thing and that guy, I know unyahan, and I know how bad clinics la linyalo, and that person, how one to be tiralong jets and you and a calinyalo, uton jetadin to say positive. Ben the chicken lelen, neki hutatsele, the same lelen, the siaku. Kutor, I can't call muchakeling at in the tetanai. Kifilor ish, a can't call that man. But because neki mutsebaur, negative future for linyalo, nekiesa you ten bendinga, equibin, buyen lelen, diambe, nekita man. So if you're frustrated about, thank you so much. If you are frustrated about business, teta nomto negative get business yako. Skabwa le muta negative ka di frustration tsa hao. Skabwa le muta if you are frustrated about your marriage, skabwa le muta. Thank you so much guys. But once again gift. Thank guys. Skabwa le batho ba negative about your frustration. Especially haika ba kya linyalo. Skabua ba to negative for linyalo. If kya business, skabua ba to negative for business. If kya relationship, skabua ba to negative for relationship. Guys, thank you so much for gifter. Kere, don't waste your time. Ubua about to give up for the business, for lerato, for manyalo, for him. Each and everything you believe on yona. Sky share le motho negative. Don't share the total how le negative, especially the total wena unto the rat. If you love business, but come who's still pushing, somebody who's still fighting for the business. If you are in the ministry, if you are running the church, before lo bua le batho negative, find the people who are very positive but motivate them. but who are still in the game, but once a balkara game, but baka hono kokalwena ba motivate. So make sure that guys, let us avoid but to discourage. In closing, yesterday nekibala scriptures Deuteronomy nekibala ka Deuteronomy Deuteronomy chapter 20. Deuteronomy chapter 20. Deuteronomy chapter 20. Verse number 1. Irim sebetin to so certain heading ya thing it's been the same files sebetin to him. Ne irim hali futua leon to him. Ho ya lwantsha serasa lona. Mme le bona dipere le dikariki tsa ntwa le le botho le le fetang ka bongata. Le seke la tshaba bane nna morana modimo wa lona ya le nyolotseng e repeta ke na le lona ne. Now here's the thing, Bible re mona ha le yang tweng mme le bona le botho an army engata ho le feta le seke la tshaba hobane ntate modimo re ona le rona. So I love verse number 8 ere baokamedi ba tla bua le bahlabane baokamedi ba tla bua le bahlabane ba re na hona le monna ya tshwileng ya boi ha gutle le tlunya hae e sere a nyamisa bana ba bo dipelo jole ka ya hae e nyahame. Guys utla ntimana ena hleng guys diavala utla ntimana ena ere baokamedi ba tla bua le bahlabane ba re na hona le monna ya tshwileng ya boi ha gutle le ntlong ya hae e sere a nyamisa bana ba bo dipelo jole ka ya hae e nyahame. Kutwa abantwana bakwa Israel ha ba ya ntwa bekukhona hununa le bathwana ba bua hununa le batho ba ne ba bua le bahlabani ba guys na hona le tshwile ya boi kukhumto othwikile yona o yikayo makabuye batho bana ba le boi batho bana ba tshaba ho lwana bana ba separatewa batho ba nyahameng bana ba separatewa le batho ba willing to fight bebe hlukanisiwa abantu ebebe willing ukulwa bana ba arohanya batho bana ba tshwile batho bana ba tshaba bana ba separatewa le batho ba willing ho lwana le batho ba willing to fight for the life maphelo a bona. So learn to separate yourself le batho bana even if how we all together, but separate yourself ka o etsa ka hore ha o fihla ho yena wa tseba ro qoqa and the general ke batla hore separate yourself separate batho bana o tseba hore ha o fihla motho ya negative o qoqa eng ha o fihla motho ya positive o qoqa eng ha o fihla le boyfriend ya hao man ska ba qoqa ntho tse serious especially ha ile negative ska qoqa ntho ngwe le girlfriend ya hao le husband ya le wife ya ska qoqa dintho tse positive when o tseba hore motho yo phela le yena o negative. God bless you guys until re kopana ka 6 o'clock. Ke Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse number 1 o ka ibala o buya verse number 8 o buya verse number 8 o buya Deuteronomy chapter number 20 verse number 8. So guys, thank you so much until we go panaka 6 o'clock fandaga mantsibua. But guys, let us fight, let us push. It's not an easy thing. All of us, we are discouraged, we are re hopeless man. Kaufela lenna it's a gigetse lenyolo lenna self ke utlwa re ke pusha nje but on a serious note I'm weak, but you know my secret ke hlola ke bua ke re a wheelbarrow ke go ba little sheba ke o qetela demonstration ena ke o qetela demonstration ena ke o qetela ena ke o qetela demonstration ena ke o qetela Kia. Life about we push it so. It's how we push our life. Life is like a wheelbarrow. Ne? We push. But the problem, when you get tired, this wheelbarrow, I know it's a my. Yeah. That is the problem. When life is like this, when you push, but when you get tired, life is so. When you push, your life will go. When you get tired, your life will stuck. So, come on, someone. Repush. It is because repush November. It is not an easy thing. Sometimes we get tired. We get disappointed. Sometimes we feel like give up. But the problem is when you are tired, your life aim. When you stuck, life aim. Life so even if you are tired, even if you are hopeless, even if you feel like you can give up, but remember, when you give up, life aim. Everything how aim. So let us push. Doesn't matter how do you feel. Doesn't matter you feel around today. It doesn't matter you feel like give up in today. But please push. Are pushing my hands. Thank you so much. Are kopaneng ka 6 o'clock. Mantsibuwa ka 6 o'clock. Show nya how molahle ke eng. E bitswa how molahle ke eng. Show you no batho ba batlang go bua le nna. If you want to talk to me, my number is 073 202 9079. That is my number. If you batla counseling about motho, it's very important to live life coach. Have a life coach sometimes. Have a life coach. My number is 073 202 9079. That is my number. 073 202 9079. For the last time, 073 202 9079. Ki number yaka here. Thank you so much. Are kopaneng ka 6 o'clock. Show the relationship and marriages. God bless you guys. I love you.